calm cinematic voice with rising tension. 3:42 a.m. The sky lights up with something strange. Not lightning, not a meteor, but an entire planet, heading straight for Earth. Astronomers go live on every channel. We have 7 hours left. People scream, some pray, some just freeze. The Earth is heating up. The sky turns blood red. No plans, no escape. Only one question. What happens if a planet really crashes into Earth? Why would a planet crash into Earth? Space isn't empty. Rogue planets exist. Planets without stars, wandering in the dark. They can be pulled off course by black holes or other stars. Billions of objects are flying through the solar system. Some already passed close to Earth without us noticing until it was too late. Ask the viewer, could we be sitting in the path of something we don't even see yet? First minute after impact, imagine. A Mars-sized planet slams into Earth at 60,000 kilometers per hour. Energy released equals millions of nuclear bombs. Earth's surface vaporizes. Shockwaves circle the globe. Volcanoes erupt worldwide. Oceans turn to steam. The atmosphere gets shredded. Light disappears. Silence takes over. Soundscape, earth-shattering, explosions, then eerie silence. The Earth partially disintegrates. Parts of both planets melt and fuse together. Debris starts orbiting, forming a ring around the planet life, instantly gone. But could microscopic organisms deep underground survive? Has this happened before? Scientists believe our moon came from a planet collision. A Mars-sized object, named Theia, hit Earth 4.5 billion years ago. The debris formed the moon. Some say this impact helped create life. The asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs? That was tiny compared to this. Could we stop it? NASA and other agencies are watching space. But rogue planets are hard to detect. No weapon today can destroy a planet. Best case scenario, deflection. NASA's DART mission proved we can change an asteroid's path. But a planet? That's a whole different story.
10, 9,
Would you trust
8,
today's technology
7,
to save us?
6,
If you had
5,
7 hours. Left. What would you
2,
do? No hiding. No
0,
escape. Would you run?
liftoff
Stay with
of
loved
Space
ones.
Shuttle
Record your
Atlantis.
final message.
Mission to build,
Panic.
resupply,
Some cry.
and to do
Some
research
get quiet.
on the International
One thought
Space
in everyone's
Station.
head. Why now?
Houston
Why
now
us?
controlling. Atlantis
Scene
begins its
suggestion.
penultimate
A
journey to
father
shore up the
hugging his
International
kids.
Space Station.
A girl filming her last video. A scientist
Atlantis now
looking
in
at the
proper
sky
alignment
one
for its
last
8.5
time.
minute ride to orbit.
What do
4.5
we
million
learn from
pounds of
this?
hardware and humans taking aim
Earth
on the
is
International
fragile.
Outpost.
The universe doesn't care, but we can. We still have time to watch.
30 seconds
learn,
into the flight.
To prepare.
Atlantis almost
The
2
question
miles
is,
in altitude,
will
almost
the
6
end
miles
come
downrange
without
from the
warning?
Kennedy Space Center already,
Or
traveling
will we be
500
ready?
miles an hour.
What do you think? What would actually happen
Three
to
liquid
Earth?
fuel main engines now throttling back
Let's
to
say the
72%
planet
of
collides
rated
with us at
performance,
full
going into
force.
the bucket, reducing
What
the
happens
stress on the
next?
shuttle as it breaks through the
Earth's
sound barrier.
crust would peel off like paper. The core might crack or fuse with the intruding planet magnetic fields. Gone. The Earth becomes unstable. Months of raining lava and global firestorms. Dust and debris cover the sky for decades. Earth may shift orbit, or even break into chunks. If it survives, it becomes unrecognizable. Ask the viewer, would Earth still be Earth? Could anything survive? Surface life, zero chance. But extremophiles, microorganisms that survive in boiling acid or under the ocean floor, might live deep in Earth's crust. Bacteria could remain dormant. They might rebuild life slowly, over millions of years. If Earth reforms, it could start over, like pressing restart on a cosmic computer. What if we're not the first? Could there have been a lost advanced civilization wiped out the same way? A message from the future scene. A future space station watches Earth from afar. Humanity abandoned the planet after detecting the incoming object. They sent satellites to record Earth's final moments. Now, centuries later, their descendants watch old footage of the impact. A voiceover plays. We loved that world. We failed to save it, but we never forgot it. If we had the chance to save Earth, would we take it seriously now? The power of what if? This didn't happen yet. But everything you've heard is real science, real risk. We've seen asteroids. We've seen impacts. The question isn't if something hits again. The question is when. And more importantly, will we be ready? Or will we just keep scrolling until one night the sky glows and there's no time left? What if we're being watched? Narrator voice, slow, reflective. Imagine someone out there is watching us, an alien civilization, far more advanced, observing Earth like a fragile experiment in a giant lab. They see our oceans rise. They see our skies choking. They see our signals go silent when disaster strikes. And maybe, just maybe, they've seen this before, on other planets, other civilizations, all gone after making the same mistakes. What if the crash of a planet isn't the end of life, but the end of its chance to grow? What if we're failing at